Hello everyone, this is Bubu and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to draw this big blue whale. Please trust me, this is very easy. Just to draw, maybe it will take less than 5 minutes and you will be okay. Please be ready with your marker and also pencil and let's jump into drawing the blue whale. This time I will use pencil first just to make sure that I draw it well, okay? So I will start with this. I think you know this infinity symbol. It should be something like this. So I will draw this first, then I will draw another which almost looks the same. It's very easy, right? So you can see this is the body. We have already the body and the tail. It's pretty simple. It's pretty easy. Then I will give like a mouth and also the eyes, and of course they have their fin and the uh, bottom part of the body. Okay, so it should be something like this. And here I will draw with my pencil first. So infinity, something like infinity here. Okay, then I will have another here. Okay, okay, we got the body already. Then the tail. Nah, we have it. Then I will give it a big mouth, then an eye, and the bottom part of the body should be like this. Then also the fin. Okay, we have it. It's easy, right? So this is the fin in this side, and there should be another fin in that side, on the other side. Okay, we finished. It's easy, very easy, right? By the way, do you know what do blue whales eat? They eat plankton. Okay, so I already have my sketch, and now I will draw it with my marker. One and two, and now the tail. Nah, I already did the tail. Now I will go to the body. Okay. Okay, I drawn the fin. Yep. Now the mouth. Oh, it looks like he's smiling. See, we finished with the blue whale. Okay, I need to draw a line here. Yep. Okay, we finished. Very, very easy. So sometimes I see, I think they have some lines in their in the bottom part of the body. So I hope it's enough. Okay, we got it. It's finished. Oh, maybe I want to draw some uh, air bubble here, and also here and here. Okay, maybe some lines as the movement here, and also here, and also near the fin. Okay, we finish. It's very easy, right? It's not even 5 minutes. Okay, now I will color it. This is a blue whale, so of course I will color it with blue. Some blue. I will use some shades of blue. Of course, I have some dark, very dark blue, and less darker, and of course this one is very not dark. It's very light. Okay, let's color it. And I will use this gray for the bottom part of the body. I use cotton bud to blend and smoothen everything out. Okay, that's it. Oops, we finished with our blue wheel. This is pretty easy, right? I hope you will try to draw it on your own, and please support me with like and also subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video tutorial. Bye.